Hey you, I have a 20% off coupon for you for Lilac Street, and I believe it's only for new customers. However, I know sometimes they'll honor it if it's been a little while since you've made a purchase. So when you click the link, it'll ask for your email address and it will let you know right away if you're eligible or not. But 20% off, and then also I'm going to link my most recent Lilac Street DIY lash extension review / tips and tricks because I mentioned a lot of products that I've been using, and I've been using their system for about a year and a half now, and by far they're my favorite. I love their products. I love the affordability of their products, and I could not be happier with them. Also, you want to sign up for their rewards program because they have a really good one, and you can earn points towards free products and discount codes and things like that. So let me know below if you have been doing DIY lash extensions, and let me know what some of your favorite products are. And if they're Lilac Street, I would love to hear that as well. And as always, thanks for your support on this channel, and I will see you in the next video.